Right, medical fans, today we're playing Medical Jeopardy. I'm Adam and I'm here with my wife,
Jennifer.
and we're going to play in just a moment. I'm going to show her 10 seconds of some sort of medical footage, and she has to diagnose what it is. Jennifer, are you ready?
I'm ready.
On your mark, get set, and go.
A heart.
But what's happening with this heart?
It's beating.
And more than that?
It's having a heart attack.
It is having a heart attack. I actually used that clip for a Carrie Fisher video, sadly. So there's your information, giving you educational information about the content previously. Now let's go ahead and see the next clip. Jennifer's 1 for 1.
Pimple, whitehead, cyst.
Yeah, I'll give you a cyst. Probably some people would call it a sebaceous cyst or an epidermoid cyst. You can tell by the pus that it's likely infected. So Jennifer is 2 for 2. Keep your score at home, and we'll move on to number 3. Are you ready?
Ready. Wart. A frozen wart.
Yep, that's a wart, and it's actually removed with salicylic acid, which basically burns off the layers of skin and hopefully gets rid of the root's core, the wart's core. So we're 3 for 3. Jennifer, you're tearing it up today. And are you ready to go on to number 4?
Let's do it.
I hope people are keeping score at home, and leave your comments about Jennifer and our game below.
Ingrown hair.
Yeah, shit. You just nailed them today. 4 for 4. Jennifer looked at me like this was network television. I'm allowed to curse on here, fortunately. That comes to us from a YouTube channel called The Weird Side. He gave us permission to show that clip. 4 for 4. That is an ingrown hair. And go ahead and leave your comments below. How's Jennifer doing? She doesn't always like doing these, but she's a good sport. Number 5. Will she be 5 for 5?
Whitehead.
Nailed it. This may have been the first time you're 5 for 5, Jennifer. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So that is a whitehead actually off my thigh this morning. I don't know why I got a whitehead on my thigh, but I did, and I recorded it just for this video. Folks, thanks again for watching. Subscribe for new videos every week. Let us know, would you like more documentaries? Do you just want pimple popping? For a final medical trivia question for you at home, a bonus question, can you name this bizarre animal? What is it? It's an insect. Go ahead and comment below. Adios, amigos.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.